Hello, welcome to the course. In this class, we are going to learn some of the synthesis of terpenes. The first one is synthesis of alpha terpineol. The structure of alpha terpineol is which is having cyclohexane ring, substituted cyclohexane ring, and hydroxy group is present here and double bond is present here, and this is alpha terpineol. Based on the hydroxy group and double bond position, beta terpineol, gamma terpineol also exist. If I write a beta terpineol structure, so hydroxy group is presented here and the double bond location is here. This is called beta terpineol. Another case, if the double bond is presented here, that is called gamma terpineol. So in this class we are focusing on only alpha terpineol synthesis. So for this I am taking a starting material 4-methyl benzoic acid, and sequence of reactions we convert into alpha terpineol. Four-methyl benzoic acid, the first step, we are going for sulfonation reaction. On sulfonation of 4-methyl benzoic acid gives 4-methyl 3-sulfobenzoic acid. So sulfonation reaction is taking place ortho to the CH3 group and meta to the COH group, which convert into sulfobenzoic acid. After forming sulfobenzoic acid, we are going with the fusion reaction with KOH. In this process, the SO3H is completely removed and it is converted into OH hydroxy group and acidic workup. So on sulfonation, 4-methyl 3-sulfobenzoic acid is converted to 3-hydroxy 4-methyl benzoic acid. After forming this, on reduction with sodium in ethanol hydrogenation reaction, the unsaturated ring becomes saturated. So hydrogenation, basically we are going for reduction and it is completely converted into saturated ring. As a result of hydrogenation, get cyclohexane, substituted cyclohexane. Now this molecule reacting with the HBr, so the first HBr will be dissociated as a H plus and Br minus, and protonation is taking place on this alcohol, which is converted into oxonium ion, and removal of oxonium ion, which gives carbocation, and Br minus will come and attack. So it is basically a substitution reaction is taking place on cyclohexane ring, which is converted to bromine. Now we know that bromines are very good leaving group. In presence of base, the elimination reaction will take place. So in this fashion, which is converted into double bond. After forming 4-methyl cyclohexa 3-in carboxylic acid, double bonded location is third position, 4-methyl cyclohexa 3-in carboxylic acid, which on esterification gives corresponding ester. So 4-methyl cyclohexa 3-in carboxylic acid on esterification in presence of acidic medium, ethanol I am taking under catalytic element of sulfuric acid, which undergoes esterification reaction, and COH is converted into COO C2H5. And in the terpenol, we need a alcohol functionality. instead of ester. How we can do? We can convert this by taking Grignard reaction. If ester functionality is present in the molecule, if we react with Grignard reagent, first it is converted into carbonyl group and another mole of Grignard reagent which gives alcohol. So here basically how many moles of Grignard reagent is required for this conversion is 2 moles. First it is converted into ketone. After that another mole react with the ketone, it is converted into alcohol. So this ester group on reaction with the Grignard reagent gives alpha-terpineol. This is the way terpenol is synthesized from paratolic acid. Let's move on to another synthesis of alpha enone and beta enone. Synthesis of alpha enone and beta enones. So here the synthesis we are starting with the citral, and last class we have discussed about citral structure elucidation and synthesis. So directly we are taking citral and reacting with acetone in basic environment. So basically it is a condensation reaction, gives unsaturated product. So here alpha beta unsaturated ketones we get in this process. So the condensation reaction is taking place between the aldehyde and alpha hydrogen of acetone. The elimination of water molecule is taking place here and gives conjugated carbonyl compounds. After forming this, so here first, second, third, fourth, 5, 6, 10. So the total number of carbons are here 11. So 6th and 10th position methyl groups are there. It is a dimethyl. Total chain length is 11. Andeca 3, 5, 9 position double bond is present. 3, 5, 9 triene, and second position a keto group is present 2. So citral and condensation reaction with acetone we get 6, 10 dimethyl andeca 3, 5, 9 triene 2. These we are taking for acidic medium and it is undergoing cyclization reaction which forms a stable carbocation followed by elimination gives alpha enone and beta enone. So this molecule in presence of acidic media which undergoes cyclization reaction. So when we are reacting with acidic acid, H plus are taking at this double bond. As a result of this breaking of this double bond, the carbocation formation is taking place at this center. So there is a two possibility, carbocation can form here or here, but once it is forming here, it is a tertiary carbocation more stable. After forming this more stable carbocation, the cyclization reaction will take place in this fashion. And which is converted into another carbocation which is also tertiary carbocation. After forming this carbocation, H plus has to leave from next carbon and there are 3 available hydrogens are there. If you look at carefully here, if this hydrogen is removed as H plus, the double bond formation is taking place and we get this molecule. If this hydrogen is eliminated, we get a double bond here. If this hydrogen is eliminated, we get a double bond in this position, but this is unstable, highly unstable, and this is formation of this double bond is very rare case, so that's why we are removing this elimination process. And the major products which is formed after forming this carbocation is 2. If this hydrogen is eliminated and double bond we get, and this enone we call it as beta enone. Similarly, this hydrogen is eliminated and the double bond position of the double bond is here in the molecule, and this we call it as alpha enone. So beta enone is basically more substituted alkene compared with the alpha enone. So in this fashion, alpha and beta enones can be synthesized by taking citral as a starting material, reacts with acetone in presence of basic medium, undergo condensation reaction which gives product, and this product on acid catalyzed reaction which undergoes cyclization reaction gives alpha enone and beta enone.